What's up, guys? Welcome back to my garage on how to install a stereo on my 181. As you can see, she's already dressed for Halloween. The season's coming, so she's going to participate. We decided to go with the Pioneer. This is a DMH-W2770NEX Pioneer. It's got pretty much everything that you want on a stereo nowadays. It's got double DIN, touch screen, it connects wirelessly or wired into your CarPlay or your Android phone. It's got a microphone, it's got connectivity to amplifiers, it's got even a satellite antenna if you are inclined to install it. So we're going to unbox the stereo. I have not unboxed it yet. I read all of this in the internet and the specifications when I was deciding which one to buy. It was $370 at Best Buy, and we're going to unbox it and see if it's got everything that it's supposed to have in there. So, some screws to have it installed, your microphone, this is some stickies for the wires. This is the preamp, the outlets if you're inclined to install an amplifier. This is what I was telling you about. This is a satellite antenna. Now, you don't need this in civilization because your phone grabs your position from the cell towers. However, if you're going to be remote in places where there's no cell coverage, these would actually grab the satellite signal. So if you're gonna be like, off-roading with your 181, in places where you don't have cell coverage, this would have you covered for positioning, so not a bad thing. The stereo itself doesn't have navigation. You still need the navigation from your phone, but that would provide the navigation to the phone instead of the cell towers. This is an auxiliary connector. This is a steering wheel control. We of course don't need it for the 181. However, if you're installing the stereo on a car that has steering wheel controls, you would like that. If you have Sirius XM, this is a connector. In my case, I don't have Sirius XM. I'm perfectly content with Spotify. I don't really do off-roading, so I may not even install the satellite antenna. This is a USB extension if you're inclined to connect your phone wired. I, for one, like the CarPlay wireless feature of the stereo. That was the deciding factor on these. It's got a remote control. If you want someone in the back seat to co-pilot and play some tunes for you, they can do that with these. And it's got a pre-wired harness, which is an advantage, right? You just follow the labels. It also can install a rear view camera. I may actually install that one. I don't think that I need one. It'll be cool to have it. It has, of course, your warranty card. It has the quick start guide, which comes in English, French, and Spanish. It comes with your installation manual, same thing, English, Spanish, and French. And then down here, it's the stereo itself. It comes contained in 2 slabs of stereo foam, very well packed. And then it has a poly bag on top of it. So it comes very well protected. Then on top of the screen, it actually has like a film to protect the screen from scratches. This is a capacitive screen, so similar to the one on your phones. Back here has all of its connectors. That's the one for the regular antenna, your radio, FM radio. This is for the GPS antenna. This is for the microphone. This is for the preamps. This is the master loom, to connect to that, and your USB. It's compact, so it's gonna fit very well on the accessory we bought to have it installed. So in next episodes, you're gonna see me put this on the car, wire it, and continue with this until we actually get sound out of the thing. Please like the video, please follow me, follow my channel, please give me a follow on Instagram, drop me a line, send me a message, give you a like. Let me know what you think of these videos, and we'll be in touch. Thank you. Bye.